Today I'm taking a look at the BougeRV telescoping camping light. So it does come with a bag. Looks like we've got a pouch. So it comes with some stakes so we can tie that guy to the ground. I've never actually seen that with a camping light before, but that is a good idea in case we get wind. And we got our charging cable. That is a USB-C to USB-C. Nice, so we got all that right there in the pouch. We don't have to go looking for it. Okay, so there is our light. Very interesting design. It looks like we've got our feet just built right in there in the bottom. I also like how those pull out, so they just pull out and then snap into position. We've also got a hook, so if you want to put a weight bag or something like that on it, we don't have to worry about it toppling over. And it also comes with a 1/4 mount, so if we want to put this on another tripod or use a different stand, we can do that. On the top, we got a light right there, so we can actually use this just as a flashlight if we want to. We got our interface there on the top as well, and we can pull that guy out. That is interesting. The whole thing actually sits right inside those holes in the base. Nice and stiff as well, which is reassuring, so that means we're not going to have to worry about this thing collapsing on us while we're using it. So with that extended, we are looking at right around 52.5 inches to the base. And then with our legs out, that is going to give us a few more inches. We are looking at just under 57 inches to the floor. Quite a nice height on there. And then we got our head, so that just kind of pops open. But it also rotates, so we can have this pointing down, we can have it pointing up, pointing to the side, whatever we need to accommodate our situation. There we go. Oh, that's interesting. So we can actually turn on one light at a time. So these two are off, and that guy is on. We got cool white, we got warm white, and we got red. So if we need to save our night vision, we can use that. That is very nice. Then it says up on the top, instant red if we press both of them together. There we go, and we got red. And that actually lights up everything all at once. So let's hit that again. There we go. Now we are using the full LEDs on all bars. This button in the back, that will change the brightness. So that was actually on the lowest setting. We got 3 different levels. And if we just hit the power button, we can turn on 2 or 3 lights and then turn it off. Very nice. Love that it's easy to work with. Nothing special that you have to deal with. So let's press and hold that SOS button. And there we go. Now we've got SOS. Then this button that we use to change the color temperature, if we press and hold, that will turn on our front light. And we can use it just as a regular old flashlight, albeit a very chunky, large flashlight. But nice to have something that's like that we can also fully expand to make a huge work light. And here on the bottom, we've got our USB charging port. And if we plug that in, we can see that that does come with 2 bars of charge. Now, this does come with a USB-C to USB-C cable, but I am currently using a USB-C to USB-A cable. So you can use a regular 5-volt power supply if that is all you have available. That did also come with instructions. It says that you can go to 1,000 lumens per light, so that's 3,000 lumens total. Has a 15,600 milliamp hour battery. Runtime is 8 to 90 hours, so that is actually pretty impressive. Max height is 5.5 feet. We got our folder dimensions, 2.4 pounds, 30 watts max power input, and 30 watt max power output. So you can actually use this guy for charging your phone if you want to. So that is probably why it came with a USB-C to USB-C cable. Yeah, there we go. And we can see that that is super fast charging. So very handy thing to have in your camping kit. That is a heck of a light that is also a power bank in the event that you need it. More interesting things that I've been finding that this can be useful for is just basically becoming a baton of light so that I can see. We can use that fully extended. We can just as easily drop that guy down and have more of a handheld lantern. What's cool about that, when you got places where, like, I wish I could just set a flashlight and have it pointing straight down, most of the time that's not really an option. With this, most of the time it is. You can figure out one way or another. Just extend this guy out. We got a lot of weight right here. We can make that happen. Configuration like this, we got a light on either side. We got a light pointing straight forward. And actually becomes a pretty comfortable way of seeing where we're going. So we got spots like this where I'm gonna have to work on that light right there. Now we got plenty of light. So I can go ahead and kill power to that, make sure that I'm working safe, and we'll be good to go. Yeah, I think just the versatility of this thing, the fact that it doesn't really weigh that much more than a big flashlight like one of your typical baton flashlights. Well, we can extend that guy out, we can put light wherever the heck we need it. Overall, I'm very happy with that.